Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Miftah Khoer Zaelani. I'm a master degree student in the English education program at Indraprastha PGRI University. This presentation is for academic speaking for scientific purposes, midterm. Today, I will explain a simple, repeatable way to gather material for any speech or presentation. In the next 7 minutes, I will show you how to find sources, check quality, and organize them into a clear point. By the end, you can use this workflow for your next assignment. Here is our roadmap. First, introduction. Second, personal experience. Third, library resources. Fourth, online research. Fifth, interviewing. Sixth, research tip, and the last, summary. I will keep the language simple and give small examples so you can apply each step right away. Introduction. Why materials matter? Why? Strong materials make a strong message. If your facts are weak, even a great design cannot save the talk. We want materials that are credible, relevant, and easy to explain. Credible means the source is trustworthy. Relevant means the information directly supports your goal. Easy to explain means you can say it clearly in 1 or 2 sentences. Think of your talk as a journey. Begin with a question, collect evidence, and end with a clear takeaway. Using personal experience. Personal experience make your speech human. Use it to connect, not to replace evidence. Simple formula is the fact sandwich. 1 sentence story from your life. 1 fact, statistic, or quote from a source. 1 sentence that link both to your main point. Keep the story short, concrete, and relevant. Avoid private details that distract. If your experience is unique, it can be memorable, but always check that it supports your claim. Library research. The library is still the best place to start serious research. Ask a librarian for help with database and subject guides. Search the catalog for books, ebooks, and reference for work life, encyclopedias, and handbooks. When you scan a book, note the author, year, key term, and 1 or 2 quotes that are useful. Write your notes in your own words to avoid plagiarism later. Use newspaper and magazine database for current event and background. For deep support, use academic journals. Start by reading the abstract. If it fits, read the method and result to extract specific numbers and claims. Decide if you will quote or paraphrase. Quote only when the wording is special. Otherwise, paraphrase with a citation, record page number, and link so you can find the source again in seconds. Online research. Online research is fast, but be careful. Use focus keyword and try synonym. Add simple filters like Cite Edu or file type PDF if needed. Open 3 tabs on the same topic to compare ideas. If a headline sounds extreme, verify it with a second source. Do not copy from the first website you see. Pause, compare, and choose the best information. Evaluate every page with 3 questions. Who wrote it? When was it published? Where was it published? Look for an author's credential and whether sources are cited. Prefer recent information unless you need a classic or original study. Check for bias. Ask what the author wants you to believe and what evidence is missing. If you feel unsure, cross-check the same fact in another source. Interviewing. Interview and fresh real-world details. Plan your goal first. What do you want to learn that book cannot tell you? Prepare 6 or 8 questions that invite stories, example, and numbers. Start broad, then go narrow. Example, how do you measure success? Then, can you share one number from last year? Ask permission to record. Confirm the person's name, role, and correct spelling. During the interview, listen more than you speak. Use silence to let the person think. Follow up what happened next. Can you give a concrete example? Right after the interview, save your files with the clear name. Write a short summary of the top of 3 insights. Fact check any numbers with a second source if possible. Send a short thank you message to build trust for the future. Research tips. Begin early. Research always takes longer than you expect. Stay organized. Create one folder for the talk and name files clearly. Use a simple note template, source, keys, idea, quotes, or number how I will use it. Every 20 minutes ask, does this support my main point? If it not, stop and switch to a better source. The next research tip, synthesize by topic, not by source. Group notes into 2 or 4 main headings. Draft a quick outline if heading become one side or one section. Verify sensitive claims before building the slide. When possible, add a small chart, image, or short example to make the point easier to remember. Practice out loud at least once to adjust timing and transition. Last is summary. Let's review the workflow with 4 verbs. Find, filter, frame, deliver, find sources from personal experience, library, online, and interview. Filter with credibility, relevance, and clarity. Frame your points in a simple outline with evidence under each point. Deliver with calm voice, short sentences, and clear transition. Okay, this is the last. Thank you. In conclusion, these are some important points. We need from personal insight to credible evidence and turn a topic into a plan. We treated the talk like a roadmap, choosing what matters and structuring with a purpose. We keep it authentic with lived experience to make the message memorable. We grounded claim using a library catalog, references work, newspaper, magazine, and peer-reviewed journals. We explain online, checking who wrote it, where it came from, and when it was published. We added interviews to capture expert perspective and organize the takeaways right way. And we kept momentum with habits that actually stick. Start early, stay organized, review progress, store short notes by topic, and stay curious. The result is simple and repeatable. Find fresh fact, organize clear points, trust credible data, and engage your audience. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.